Reading. Ugh. The average product manager has to read over 10,000 words a day. That's over 200 X tweets on Elon's X Twitter. What's up? I'm Jordan. Today I'm going to show you how to harness the power of artificial intelligence to turn a 50-page client brief into a very short summary, and then automatically turn the brief into an action plan for your team without having to read a single word, because no one likes reading, except nerds. With this flow in Activepieces, you'll be able to just drop a client brief into a Google Drive folder, and then an Activepieces flow will be triggered that creates a concise summary of the brief and also makes an action plan. And both of these things are sent directly to Slack. Here's how it works. So if we go to the flow in Activepieces, we have a new file trigger. So whenever you upload a file to this parent folder here, the flow triggers. It reads the file, that's step 2, very important. Then it extracts the text from the PDF. It uses ChatGPT to summarize the brief into a very concise, very few word having summary. Here's what the original brief looks like. This is just a mock-up of Google asking Activepieces to revamp its whole company using automation. So as you can see, it is very dense, pedantic, a lot of unnecessary words here. This is over 50 pages that the client wrote. No one's gonna read all those pages. So we gotta have AI do it. As we can see, it summarized this overly long brief into just a few digestible points that the whole team can understand. And then we have kind of an issue because ChatGPT is really bad at formatting for Slack. So there's a step in Activepieces called Markdown to Slack format. And basically we take in this Markdown summary and we convert it to the Slack format. Then we ID the company just to make things a little simpler. So we pull the summarized brief and then we're like, hey, what company is this? Can you just tell us what company this is and nothing else? So we can plug it in later. Then you connect your Slack and we send this brief to a Slack channel. There it is. There's the summary. Formatted for Slack. Then we have ChatGPT look at the entire brief and formulate an action plan for us. This is more of a draft action plan. It's a place to start. What do they want from us? How do we do it? What do we need? How long is it going to take? And you can be as detailed as you want in this prompt. You can tell it what resources you have. You can tell it what team members can do what. You can formulate the action plan prompt to fit your needs. And finally, we send the action plan to our Action Plans Slack channel. And there you go, another Activepieces flow. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you later, automators.